Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. It's 5:14 here on Sunday evening and I'm getting ready to make some burgers. Do I want a few fries? Yeah. So I got some lean ground beef on sale at Walmart for $10.97 for 2 1/4 pounds. With the yellow tag, I always look for the yellow tags. It says to freeze by 12/21, and today is the 17th or 18th. I don't never know what day it is no more. Well, anyway, I'll be using my Ninja Foodie extra large grill. Let me show y'all. Y'all seen it a lot of times because I haven't used my air fryer in a long time. Regular air fryer, because this does it all, y'all. And I'm about to get another type of air fryer for Christmas. My daughter asked me what I wanted, and I told her. She said, Mama, you don't need another air fryer. Really, I don't, because I've been giving away air fryers because I got a lot. Because the company's giving to me to review. And I think I do a good job of reviewing. But anyway, I'll be getting the Crux Ghetto, wherever the Ghetto air fryer is. It's 9 quarts. It has the basket that has one handle, but you can divide it on the inside with a divider, or you can take the divider out and you have one large cooking area. So that's what I really like about it, the large cooking area. I don't know if it's about the same size as this. I'm not sure, but it holds quite a bit. And I saw one made just like it. It's called the Bella Trizone 9-quart air fryer. I think it's Bella or either Della. I think it's Bella brand. But the thing to look for is Trizone, because you can cook in each basket separately, or you can cook in one basket by itself, or you can just take the divider out and just cook in the whole thing. And it has 2 heating elements at the top. So that's what I'll be getting for Christmas. It should be here Wednesday. I'm excited. Okay, like I said, I'm getting ready to fix some hamburgers, and I'm going to turn this on so it can start preheating. Turn it on 400. I'll just leave the 20 minutes on there, even though it doesn't take 20 minutes for burgers to cook. So right now it's air frying. So I'm going to pat out these burgers. I want to throw some fries. I am so hungry. Okay, I think I'm just gonna season the burgers when I put them in there. Season each side instead of mixing the seasoning in there like I usually do, because I'm too lazy to wash my hands before touching those seasoning bottles. Should have had some gloves on. I'm gonna cut out 2 burgers because I'm a growing girl. I need 2 big burgers. That's a lot of meat. Try not to overwork the meat. My daddy used to make one big giant burger and it would be real flat. I like a flat burger. You put a hole in the middle so it don't puff up in the middle. Let me do this. Sometimes I forget. And I don't want to wait all day. Wash my hands. I'm ready to put my food in here. So I'm going to press the preheat button so that will cancel preheat. And it says add food. It's hot enough. So which one is the oil? Spray the basket. I don't want to take a chance on nothing sticking. Yeah, I think I will put fries in here. There's a big burger, y'all. Okay, close this up. What is this on? Yeah. Walker gonna eat leftover barbecue and stuff. So it's fine with me. I don't want no more. Black pepper. Well, all different kinds of pepper. I love pepper, y'all. I love my pepper like Walter loves his salt. Put some smoked barbecue rub. Salt is in here. And some Worcestershire. Let me throw these fries in here. They can all cook together. I know Walter gonna want some fries. He's in the back of the house, so he ain't gonna hear me holler. Let me put some oil on the fries. Okay, I'll be back when the food is doing something. These are Red Robin fries from Walmart. Okay, let's see. This is what I'll be putting on my burgers. I bought some Miracle Whip. I've been using mayo, but I like Miracle Whip better. I got some red onion slices and bell pepper strips. And got me some more bell pepper in my mason jar and some more onions. So they're ready for the fridge and they will last a long time. So this is going in the fridge. And if I ever have another giveaway, not if, but when I have another giveaway, I'll be asking the question, what strange thing do I like on my burgers? So, bell peppers. So probably the first one who answers that correctly when I have the giveaway, they'll win something. So don't forget. Okay. And look at these. These are little baby bell peppers. These are little baby bell peppers. They're inside the bell pepper when I cut it open. Cute. Little babies. I'm going to eat them. Okay, I'll be back. And I did flip my burgers. Let me look at them again. cooking nicely. And I season the other sides. You know what, I'm going to test them. Because even though I poked a hole in them, these things are fat. I like a thinner burger. Try this off. Okay. Just a big one. $172. Oh my goodness, so the burgers are done. I think they should read $145. But the fries ain't done. So the burgers will stay here a little while longer. I don't want no blood dripping out my burger. So I'm letting them stay a little while longer. Maybe 3 minutes longer. I'll be back. Okay, I'm getting ready to take these burgers out at the 6-minute mark. Let's turn it off. Since I already know they're done. Still nice and juicy. I got my bread prepared. I like white bread, y'all, or light bread. This here happens to be honey wheat. Like that too. This is what I just did. Put the burgers on the cheese side of the bread. I have Miracle Whip on both slices of bread. Let me put these fries in here. I always just want a few fries. I used to put fries on my burger. That's enough. Just one more. Okay. That's enough. The water. Push it back. Let me go get the onions and stuff. Build this burger. Like build a bear workshop. Let's build a burger. Love me some red onion. Sometimes I like to chop it up. This time it's the rings. Bell pepper. Back over there. I'm putting these 2 baby bell peppers on the plate. And my extra onion. I want all this. Walter don't eat onion. He don't want no bell pepper either. But I like it all. Okay. Put the top on. Smash it. Put the top on that. Smash it. A little ketchup for the fries. And that's good eating. That's enough. Okay, I'm gonna cut the burger so y'all can see how it looks inside. Hopefully y'all don't see no blood. Because I'm gonna have to zap it in the microwave. When I go out and order a burger, I always cut it in half. It's done just like I like it. The other one. I tell you, I put cheese on it. It's regular American cheese. Put that up there. Wash this right away because it's extra sharp. Okay, let me take this. I'm hot. And I'm so hungry. Almost 6 o'clock. It's 5:44. I ain't had nothing to eat today. I keep doing this to myself. I didn't get the thumbnail. It ain't no good thumbnail. But I'm going to end it now. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Guess I'll take a bite. And get thumbnail first. I don't want to bite all this bread. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera around and get a thumbnail. Then I'm going for real. Bon appetit. I got bell pepper, onion, cheese, and Miracle Whip on my cheeseburgers. Got 2 little baby bell peppers to the side. And the rest of my onion slices. And a few fries. And a dollop of ketchup. Okay, bye.